In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vapor canister purge solenoid on your Chevy Colorado. This is located in the front of the vehicle and right on top of the engine. Let's get started. Looking underneath the engine cover towards the front of the engine, we have a hose clamp. We can use a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm. Go ahead and loosen that up. On the passenger side of the engine bay, we have another hose clamp holding our engine cover to the air intake box. Loosen that up. Go ahead and free that up from the intake box. Looking towards the back side of the engine on the driver's side, we can pull up on this hose, and that's going to come with the engine cover. We can remove the oil cap. We have a T30 Torx bit right in the front of the engine cover. And we can pick up on the engine cover. And we can set this off to the side. Reinstall the oil cap. We have an electrical connector down here at the bottom in the front. A small tab on the lower side. You can press in on that tab and push towards the front of the vehicle. Always check your electrical connectors for any damage or corrosion. You can pinch both sides of the vacuum connector, pinch this green part, and pull towards the front of the vehicle. And we can remove the bolt with a 10mm. Pull towards the front of the vehicle, and we can remove it. We can line up the O-ring on the back side. Get that into place. Get our bolt started in. We'll snug that down. Get your vacuum line in place. And just push it on. Make sure that's locked in. Get the electrical connector in. Make sure that's locked in as well. On the underside of our engine cover is part of our air intake system. We need to line up this grommet with the throttle body and this grommet with our air intake box. As you line up the engine cover, we need to line up the boots with each other. Reinstall the oil cap. And get the screw into the front portion of the cover. We'll snug that down. We can get the hose on the back side into place. Make sure it's in the clip as well as seated all the way down into the rubber hose. Tighten down each of your hose clamps for the intakes. Start up the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.